Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wednesday, which means it's a Walt Disney Wednesday, and you guys may have seen this picture of these that Anna wore in Disneyland, and we had so many compliments on this hat, okay? First of all, I was ridiculously excited when I came up with this concept, the tulle concept. Anna actually wanted the hat. She wanted a mic hat and she wanted soli ears. So I was originally gonna do fur, but then I started thinking about tulle and the fact that I have like tons of tulle from our Disney series that we did like 2 years ago. So I have all the colors. So I'm super excited to make like more of these for our next Disney trip, and so many ideas. So if you have any characters that are furry or just you want fun poofy ears, tulle is so much fun and it's fun to do this. So guys, and hats, can I just say, hats at Disneyland, especially for your kids, are like one of the best things because then you don't have to always constantly be thinking if they're getting sunburned or whatever, and they're not always squinting. And so hats are awesome. So I love this concept. This neon green hat, actually I had to order on Amazon because I do like to get my hats at Walmart because they're like $3 or $7 depending on if they're the fancy ones, but they do not have lime green. So I will link this in the description or it's in my Amazon store. So check that out, the lime green hats, along with other all colors. If you don't have a Walmart in your area or you want a specific color. The link that I got this from had like every shade of color. So I picked the exact color I needed and made myself a soli and mic hat. Well, I made it for Anna, but you know, it's amazing. So let's get going. Super simple, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, you're gonna need tulle, and I used soli colors, even though in this shot I was making a green poof ball. I'm not really sure why, but I think maybe I had other ideas and then I never ended up using that. However, you need some wire or a pipe cleaner, which you'll see I used pipe cleaners in the next shot. And then just make a little piece of it and then lay it across something round. You can use a spool of ribbon that has ribbon in it, or I ended up using a Mod Podge bottle at the end and it turned out perfect size. So a Mod Podge bottle, pretend that this is a Mod Podge bottle or something round like a spray paint can, and then you just want to wrap it around until it's nice and full. I didn't count how many times I did it. I just kind of did it until I thought it was full, and then I wrapped the wire closed on one side and then I slid it under the other side so that I got 2 poof balls out of one roll of this, if that makes sense. So then I'm going to take it off of the roll, and I think on this one I only did it on one side. So see where my fingers are right here? I would do another one so I'd get 2 poof balls out of it. But for this one I cut it like this and it was really big. So I think you can get both poof balls out of one set of wrapping. So I guess I did. You can see that I put the wire around it twice. So you get 2 poof balls and then they're good to go. I really don't know why I made green ones for this shot, but I ended up doing them in the light blue for soli, and then I added the purple in. So for the smaller pieces, I just used my hand and wrapped the purple tulle around because I only wanted to wrap it around like 4 or 5 times because these were going to be used as the polka dots. I just wrapped them and cut them and then used a little piece of a pipe cleaner to tie them around and close it off. And then I cut it off like I did with the bigger set of tulle, and then I just put them inside of the circle wherever they fit. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so once you have this is the actual ear that we used. I just kind of laid the purple inside and hot glued them onto the inside and then just fluffed the blue around them. And then I just did this in different areas so that it looked like it had polka dots. And then of course I just added it to my lime green hat that I got on Amazon, and that is it. And then you can see in the Use the Maker video how I did the eyeball.